Simula anong Martes hanggang ngayon, lagi akong pinapasyal ng mami daddy niya. So, let's go kay doon na lang na kami magkita sa labas. Sasakyan naman tayo ng bus ngayon. Experience, experience, experience. So, hindi masyado malamig ngayon kasi nakaligins lang ako. Dito tayo nakabay ang Borough Market. So, tingnan natin kung ano itsura ng Borough Market. Sira na tuloy yung K. Nahulog. Ayusin natin. Malamig, malamig, malamig. Dito yung ating outfit and today. Mga bahay dito guys, kaya walang mga katao-tao. Kung makita dito ng mga tao sa labas. Nagabang lang daw si mother sa akin guys. Tumawag siya kaya photo ng video. Dito na ako sa kuan sa likod. Sa likod na tayo, sa likod. Parang hindi. Dito na ako kay Mother Earth bahay. Yes! I know how to come now.
Yeah. Tracy said she's coming Euro 6 morning.
Morning?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, she'll fill that form in with you. You're up at doctor's.
Yeah?
She'll show you what to do.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
She's got it out like that.
Yeah. That's good. Hi, Dad. Morning. You okay?
Yeah, not too bad. A bit cold again.
Yeah.
You went in now?
Yeah, I'm going in this. I fed up with that red coat. Come on in now.
Cardinal.
Come in, don't be shy. Short tight roses. Yeah, we'll go to Bury today, yeah?
Yeah.
Did you like the stuff you got yesterday?
Yes.
What are you doing, Matt?
Finished.
Nagantay na kami ng bus, another bus. 1 week lang ako dito pero how many times na ako nakasakay ng bus? Siguro mga hindi ko na mabilang.
All back.
This ride is like special. Special ride. B-boy. Finally guys, after mga 2 hours na kami nagsakay ng bus. Nag-tour. Dito na kami sa Borough Market. Dito si Mother. Yeah. I'm following. Doon si Father kaya maihi daw siya. Mag-CR. Guys, galing lang kami dyan yung nagbili ng aking coat. Nakalagay 32 pero 20 lang yung binayaran namin. Going back to Dad. He's on the Costa.
Yeah, he's in Costa.
Yeah. Ganda ng mga karne at fish nila dito sa Borough Market is kay kuan, more fresh. Mas presko siya guys. Siya ang tagadala ng aking mga kuan, gamit. It's a big bargain. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like that one there. I cannot call him.
You can. Why?
I don't have a load yet. I'm gonna put later.
Oh, right, yeah. Can't call him yet. Yeah.
Kabalik lang namin dito guys. And ito yung nabili kong kot sa bar. We got another new coat. Just continuing my vlogger from earlier. Nagkaan ako ngayon, nagpasubo na ng carrot and potato. Tapos, lagyan natin ng broccoli. Are you gonna make the gravy or me? You? You? Okay, love. My hubby is not feeling well. Umuwi siya ng maaga. Stick. Are you gonna cook this one as well? I'll do it.
I don't mind. I don't mind.
Lutuan natin si Mr. para maging feeling better. My hubby is cooking. Siya ang magluto ng steak. I like when you cook it. Maingay yung kuan. Yung magkuan ng asuba, maingay. Sobrang enjoy na marami akong nakikita ng mga place. And then, parang nagtutur kami sa kuan sa bus. You know, love the bus. When we are on our way to Bari today, it's like, it takes like, I think we've been in the bus like almost 2 hours.
Yeah, it's a long, long journey.
Yeah, we get the bus like going around and around.
Yeah.
Yeah, seen a lot of places, but I can't even remember where it is now. But when I, you know, something, when I see it, it's familiar. Yeah, I've seen a lot of places today. Wala kong ibang friend dito, kung ano lang, mami at daddy ni siya at sister niya. Kasi ay na-enjoy ako sa aming kuan. Napakalambing nila sa akin. Alas 7 ng gabi na dito, pero yung kuan yung araw is matirik pa, oh. It's weird in here because it's 7 p.m. We still have a sun. In Philippines, people already sleeping and the vampire already come out. It's nice to see places like, you know, since I come here, we go out straight away.
Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. Swerte kayo kung meron tayong mga mother-in-law mga parents-in-law na mababae. Pag wala kayo sa Pinas, when you're going to the other country, which is like you having a good parents-in-law, you know, you're very lucky. Sometimes, ibang-iba din talaga yun. Alam niyo guys, yung iba talaga, pero at least, mabait sila sa akin. Iba naman talaga yung sa Pinas at saka dito. Iba pa din sa atin guys. Philippines is the best pa din. Yay! Thank you! Thank you, my loves. Do you think I can eat it all? That's a lot.
Eat it.
I'm trying to eat this all. It's good anyway because lots of carrots and broccoli. Bye guys, we're gonna eat our steak. Thank you for watching.